One of them. Thank you.
Wait for the bus to go past.
Make sure people can carry in the bounds.
The measure of a responsible government is how well it protects its citizens from future threats to their health and prosperity. Apart from all-out nuclear war, we know that climate change is the single biggest risk to the future of our society, our economy, and all of human civilization. So every government policy should be assessed against how well it cuts the greenhouse gas emissions that are causing climate change. The Jet Zero strategy fails that test. It relies on speculative technology and alternative fuels that barely exist in reality or cannot be scaled up to the quantities needed. The government's own experts on the Climate Change Committee have warned that Jet Zero is a high-risk approach to decarbonising aviation. High risk. Just let those words sink in. Do you think we should be gambling with the future of human civilization? GALBA says we need more than a wing and a prayer to cut the emissions from carbon from the aviation industry. Jet Zero policy itself admits that many of its proposed so-called solutions either don't exist at all yet, or they will take a very long time to come to reality. We simply don't have time. We have to cut greenhouse gas emissions now. And yet our government persists in promoting the expansion of airports. That can only mean more greenhouse gases, not less. That is plain stupidity. And it's also incredibly unfair on our children and their children to allow the aviation industry's climate problem to get worse before we know how to solve it. When you're in a hole, stop digging, and we are in a deep climate hole. So I've travelled down from Leeds to London to send this message to Rachel Reeves. You said once that you wanted to be the first Green Chancellor. That is a fantastic ambition, and I applaud you for it. And you're right, we really can build a better world and a safer future. But to do that, you have to listen to the best scientific advice available. Right now, the only way to cut the greenhouse gases from flying is to fly less, not more. I hope you hear that, Rachel. Thank you.